dolls?
Yeah.
And this one is moving.
Let's see now we're sticking out.
Oh my god. They get moving.
Okay.
Oh, you're tired, okay.
Okay, so.
Oh, recording? Hi.
Yeah, finally I'm on. I was in Orlando today. I probably won't be on Saturday. In the morning or night. No, in the night. Cause
The whole day.
I think we might be going
We're
to
going-
like a Cardi B concert. Because they said, didn't your mom say that we might see Cardi B?
No, she said, she said you better hope you see Cardi B there.
Oh,
And,
okay.
we're going to Miami for a day.
Well, she said tickets, so we're probably going to see a concert or something.
Who knows? All I know is that we're not staying. We're not staying.
Go, there's a new topic.
We're staying there, you know that, right? Like, we're coming back the next day.
Oh, at least it's a Sunday, so we don't have to.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, you know what? Go on. I don't think East is on.
East?
Yeah.
You
Wait,
don't even know,
wait.
you.
I know, but oh, this is such a Oh my god, I cannot wait to see the new topic.
Oh my god, I want to watch this. Oh, she's dead.
Oh my god.
Rest in peace.
What?
Ew, man. What the heck?
Wait, was I on for you, please?
Who the heck is this? Oh. Alright, that's... Ooh, that's my best friend.
Oh. Oh, that's nice. That's cute. How's it? Oh my god, I swear, Vanessa be saying that all the time. Oh my god, Vanessa was saying that. Like, but instead of saying like the last part, wait, let me pause this because it's the bad
Over there too.
part. Okay,
No.
but why don't you put her as your best friend again? Because you still have one open slot. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! I don't believe it. I'm going to croak. You cleaned it. I know you cleaned the room.
I cleaned this
There was still stuff. There was still a lot of stuff on that side.
No, the animals. The stuffed
They were
animals.
still-
Never came here and saw this room this clean. You know how many times I fight with you to clean
Does that
it?
mean I could get $1?
I want $1.
I want $1.
I want $1.
See,
No,
I cleaned
you
up all
get the
my
dollar when you do the homework.
I did
She
do the
read it.
homework. All I have to do is read
I
over
want
it.
$1, Grandma. I clean.
I will be of you not being lazy. Oh my God, the idea granddaughter.
This girl left the ice cream tub right there in the toilet cleaner. It smelled like rotten cheese.
Yes, I believe you.
Woo.
It did.
You
It's
see,
like-
she can't do that like that. That's not work. Your mother will get on you really quick, right?
I didn't do that.
I know you don't.
I'm not lazy. I better close the door at least 7 minutes.
Because I always close it.
And then I always
But
have to
she's
make-
the only one who likes the door closed. I always leave my door open because
Yeah.
if something happens, I like to run out. I'd be like, bye. I'm leaving you.
Yeah, she always got it open. I'm the one who closed the door and I'm the one who turns off the lights. Like I always got the lights off. I have to sleep in the dark.
Yeah. Why is it doing this? Look, I'm wearing 2 hairs.
What you playing?
It's this game that me and her play. Well, mostly I play with my friends, but then I told her to like download it and
The
play it.
one with the clothes and the fashion or another
Yeah,
one?
the one with the clothes and fashion. Maybe we start playing it. I'm like always on this game. It's like my life.
That was the one you was doing before when the girl came out real nasty.
Yeah, that was the game I was playing. I play this all the time.
I thought you stopped doing it for a while.
I played this for like a whole summer.
You know, she found out she could record and post on YouTube.
Huh?
She found out she could record the game.
Uh-huh. Because my best friend Janella, she records. And so I'm like, oh, yeah, I want to record too. So I started recording now. Hey,
So how much?
that's my account.
Oh!
It says steal your boot. I'm like, oh my god, he's on.
Oh yeah, wait, hold on, let me find this. Hold on, let me just do this for you. Oh no.
You don't have to collect it because it goes in the treasure chest. Now I have the treasure chest.
Very nice.
It
Those
collects
sneakers
wet
yours,
stuff.
Jada?
Yeah,
Those are
I
cute.
do not like
What
those shoes.
size are these?
Sorry,
You don't like Filas?
She said I do not like those. Excuse me,
those things are.
Why?
cause they're old. They're not like Jordans and stuff. They're like the
Yeah,
old
I
ones.
only like Jordans. Like
They're cute.
Yes,
I like
they
them.
are.
they're nice.
What size are these?
Boy.
Oh, a little bit
Oh,
more.
you know
a
where my
little bit
shoes.
more and then I catch up. You catch up.
You know where my shoes.
Yours are what?
What?
Your sneakers 4 too?
Like 4.5.
4.5. Don't come to my house when you get a 5. No, I don't want you in my sneakers.
I fit a 5. I have some shoes that are 5.
Once they turn like a
Oh, but
5,
that's the shoes.
once they
the
turn like a
sneakers,
5,
that's
5
what-
and a
yeah,
half,
that's
I'm
what I'm
stealing
talking
mommy's shoes. Because I would love to take all mommy's heels.
Why you want to be so grown, lady? Enjoy
I
your
always used to
child.
be wearing her
Yes,
heels.
enjoy
Like,
your childhood because then you can't go back. I wish I could go back and be 21.
I wish I couldn't.
Where I could party, go
Oh,
out, do
no, girl.
everything.
No.
Yes,
You know,
I'd like
21,
to do
I
that.
like 21.
I like to be
I
my
don't
own
wanna be
person
this
where
old.
no one has to tell me what to do.
Relax. So then go live in the shed.
Well,
I'm
if
not
you
living
don't
in
want,
this.
if you don't want nobody to tell you what to do, you better study hard so you can make that money and get your own place.
Not in our little girl.
Be a little girl.
Yeah, be a little girl. Don't tell me. Excuse me. Tell
What?
this girl that. Tell this girl that.
No, she wants to be too grown. You be a little girl. Believe me, time goes flying like this, and then you want it back and you can't get it back. Believe me, I'm there. I want to go back. And now I got grandchildren. Hell with it. Time flew.
Time just flies.
Yes, it does.
26K. It's Jada 122. 4, 3, and then 6.
Who is this guy?
My ex.
Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Wait, is this a real person or is this your account?
Real person.
Whoopsies.
Since he doesn't like me, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do something new. I'm gonna spend his money. I actually really want that.
I wanna spend his money. Let me spend some money. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone, Elisa.
Okay, here.
You gave him something. You gave yourself something.
Uh-huh.
Really? What did you get?
I got this bleeding thing. See, look.
That's ugly.
No. It's just like when I do creepy things.
I'm gonna spend his money too. Since when he's working hard, let's go shopping.
Do you have enough things to do?
I don't think I do that. Oh, meat. Oh, meat. Elisa, you spent all his money.
I only spent 400.
Doesn't matter. He only has one money. Should I delete his account?
If you want.
Oh, man. I'm gonna change his password.
Okay. Yulisa01.
No, his old password.
Yulisa01. I told him to change it to my name.
Mm-hmm.
You have to put numbers in it.
Okay, I'm doing that. 6, H, J, X, J, X, H, D. I'll just put numbers. 1, 2.
No, don't do that.
You just said I'll just put numbers.
Put it like shorter. Because I want to keep logging in. So then I can earn a lot of money.
No!
Yeah.
No. Okay. No. Sorry.
Shorter.
No. Yelisa, give me my phone!
Stop.
Alright, I'm gonna delete it! Give me my phone! What?
Because you put space.
Really?
I guess bye.